Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Current Affairs for You. Let's begin the important current affairs of 17th February 2021. So the first question for today is, who has received Best Marching Contingent Trophy in Republic Day Parade 2021? Options are UP Police, Bihar Police, Delhi Police, Tamil Nadu Police. Option C is correct here. Delhi Police received Best Marching Contingent Trophy in 26 January 2021. So this has been given by Rajnath Singh, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. So this is the trophy. You can see it in the picture. So next question, who has been appointed as Chief Justice of Manipur High Court? Options are Puligoru Venkata Sanjay Kumar, Hima Kohli, S. Muralidhar, Pankaj Mittal. So option A is correct here. Puligoru Venkata Sanjay Kumar has been appointed as Manipur High Court Chief Justice. So he is Puligoru Venkata Sanjay Kumar, the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court. Hima Kohli, Telangana State Government Chief Justice, and Muralidhar, Odisha Chief Justice, and Pankaj Mittal, Ladakh, and also Jammu and Kashmir Chief Justice. Next question, who is the head of an 8-member committee constituted by RBI for strengthening urban cooperative banks? Options are Ram Vinay Shahi, N.S. Vishwanathan, G. Kishan Reddy, Subhash Chandra Kuntla, Arun Singhal. So option B is correct here. N.S. Vishwanathan. N.S. Vishwanathan is the head of a committee, and in the committee there are 8 members. So the head of the committee is N.S. Vishwanathan. This committee is formulated by or constituted by RBI for what? For strengthening urban cooperative banks. For strengthening urban cooperative banks. So next, G. Kishan Reddy is the head of a committee for conservation or to protect land, language, and culture of Ladakh. So to protect land, language, and culture in Ladakh, there is a committee, and the head of the committee is G. Kishan Reddy. Next, Arun Singhal, Food Safety, FSSAI, Food Safety and Standards Authority of India. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India formulated a committee to manage food safety emergencies. And the head of the committee is Arun Singhal. Next, Ram Vinay Shahi is the head of a committee by South Asia Energy Security Architecture. This committee head is Ram Vinay Shahi. Next, one more thing is Subhash Chandra Kuntla, IRDAI formulated a committee to improve the quality and the coverage of health insurance in India. IRDAI formulated the committee, and the head of the committee is Subhash Chandra Kuntla. So next question, which of the following Kalvari class submarine delivered to Indian Navy recently by Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders? Options are INS Kalvari, INS Kanderi, INS Karanj, INS Vela Wagir, INS Wakshir. So option C is correct here. INS Karanj. INS Karanj is the new Indian naval ship in the Kalvari class. So total there are 6 INS ships are there in Kalvari class. That's why I have put all the 6 here. INS Kalvari, which is commissioned into Indian Navy in 2017, and INS Khanderi, which is commissioned into Indian Navy in 2019, and INS Karanj, which is going to be commissioned in March 2021. And these 3, INS Vela and INS Wagir and INS Wakshir, these are to be commissioned by the end of 2022, and these are built by Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders, which is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So next question. So this is INS Karanj, you can see it in the picture. Next, 5th question, who has been appointed as the Executive Secretary of United Nations Capital Development Fund? United Nations Capital Development Fund, new Executive Secretary is Preeti Sinha. Indian origin Preeti Sinha has been appointed as Executive Secretary of UNCDF. UNCDF stands for United Nations Capital Development Fund. Very important question. Next, Bhavya Lal has been appointed as Acting Staff of Chief of NASA. Bhavya Lal. Vishwanatha Gaud, Managing Director and CEO of LIC Housing Finance. Ajay Singh, Boxing Federation of India, President of Boxing Federation India, Ajay Singh. Next question, so she is Preeti Sinha, you can see her in the picture. She has been appointed to Executive Secretary of United Nations Capital Development Fund. Next question. Who inaugurated jute seeds distribution plan and jute farmers awareness workshop on improved cultivation and advanced retting exercise for jute initiative? Options are Dr. Harshavardhan, Dharmendra Pradhan, Hardeep Singh Puri, Smriti Zubin Irani. So option D is correct here. Smriti Zubin Irani is she inaugurated jute seeds distribution plan, jute seeds distribution plan, and also jute farmers awareness workshop, where in West Bengal. More precisely, if you speak, it is in Barakpur, West Bengal. Who is the Chief Minister for West Bengal? Mamata Banerjee. Next question. So she is Smriti Zubin Irani, Ministry of Textiles and Women and Child Development. Minister of Textiles, Women and Child Development. Who is it? Smriti Zubin Irani. Next question. So Dr. Harshavardhan, he inaugurated something called coastal research vessel called Sagar Anveshika. Who inaugurated? Dr. Harshavardhan. What is it? Coastal research vessel. What is the name? Sagar Anveshika. Dharmendra Pradhan, there is something called Bengal Basin, India's first oil reserve in Bengal, West Bengal. This has been dedicated to the nation by Dharmendra Pradhan. Next, Hardeep Singh Puri, Minister for Housing and Urban Affairs. Minister of Housing and Urban Affairs. Who is it? Hardeep Singh Puri. He launched something called E-Sampada. What is it? It's an web portal. E-Sampada web portal launched by Hardeep Singh Puri. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of International Solar Alliance, ISA? Options are Praveen Sinha, Jayant Khobragade, Dr. Ajay Mathur, Siddhanta Mohanty. So option C is correct here. Dr. Ajay Mathur has been appointed as the new Director General of International Solar Alliance. New Director General is Dr. Ajay Mathur. Now who is Praveen Sinha, who is Jayant Khobragade, and who is Siddhant Mohanty? Siddhant Mohanty has been appointed by Government of India as the MD, Managing Director of LIC. Managing Director of LIC is Siddhanta Mohanty. Next, Jayant Khobragade has been appointed as India's next brand ambassador to ASEAN Secretariat. Where is ASEAN Secretariat? It is in Jakarta, Indonesia. So very important person, Jayant Khobragade. Who is he? He is India's next brand ambassador to ASEAN Secretariat, which is in Jakarta, Indonesia. Who is it? Jayant Khobragade. Now the last one is we did not talk about Praveen Sinha. Who is Praveen Sinha? Director of CBI, recently appointed Director of CBI. He is Praveen Sinha. Now Head of or Director General of International Solar Alliance is Dr. Ajay Mathur. So you can see in the picture Ajay Mathur. He is Ajay Mathur. Next, which state launched mass scheme for providing meals at 5 rupees? Options are West Bengal, Telangana, Assam, Odisha. So option A is correct here. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee launched something called mass scheme. Under this scheme, the people will be providing meals at just 5 rupees. So which state? West Bengal. What is the name of the scheme? Mass scheme. Next, Telangana state government launched something called lunch box scheme. Under this, pregnant women will be given nutritional food. Let's talk about Assam now. Pragyan Bharati and also Bhasha Gaurav. Pragyan Bharati and Bhasha Gaurav. These two schemes launched by Assam recently. So under Pragyan Bharati, 1500 rupees will be given to the college students to buy new textbooks. And also there is something called Mukhyamantri Gram Parivahan Achari Yojana. Mukhyamantri Gram Panchayat Achari Yojana. This is also launched by Assam state government in recent news. Let's talk about Odisha. Odisha topped in Amrut Yojana. Amrut, AMRUT. What is Amrut stands for? Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. This is Odisha. Odisha topped in Amrut scheme. Next, who has been appointed as the 7th Director General of WTO? WTO stands for World Trade Organization. Options are Antonio Guterres, Ngomi Ongojo Iweala, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. So option B is correct here. A Nigerian woman, Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala, has been appointed as the new Director General of World Trade Organization, and she is going to be the 7th Director General for World Trade Organization. Antonio Guterres, the Secretary General for United Nations Organization, and Tedros Adhanom, World Health Organization Director General, and Adro Ajole, UNESCO Director General. Next, let's talk about this. So she is the person Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. Now let's talk about this in detail. She belongs to Nigeria, and she is the first woman and also first African woman to lead or to head World Trade Organization, and previously the head is Robert Ejewedo. And now the next is headquarters of World Trade Organization located in Geneva, Switzerland. It is established in 1995, and 164 total member countries are there in this World Trade Organization. So last question for today: which of the following expressway to be featured as India's first and Asia's largest 12-kilometer wildlife protection corridor? So option D is correct here. Delhi Dehradun Expressway is the Asia's largest and also India's first wildlife protection corridor. The length of it is 12 kilometers. So that's why it is India's first and also Asia's largest wildlife protection corridor. It is in Delhi Dehradun Expressway. So that's all for today's current affairs. Hope you guys like the video. Share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching until the end.